Alright, today I'm going to teach you guys how to do the dance where you grab your leg and you slide across the floor, alright? Now some would say that that's a James Brown dance move. Might be, like he used to do a lot of this back in the days. Yeah, I don't know, the exact name of this move, but we're just going to call it the grab your leg and slide dance move. Alright, let's get to it. It's basically just 3 things you need to do. 1, you grab your leg, alright? Whatever leg you want to grab, and then you slide on the other leg, alright? Like this. Now, your upper body is doing this jerking motion back and forth, alright? So 3 things: grab your leg, slide on the other foot, and then do this jerking motion back and forth. Okay, let me break that down. So, let's just take your right leg for example. On your right leg, you want to be able to go up on your toes. Let me just show you from the side so you can see. You want to be able to go up on your toes and then move your heel to the side. And then you do the opposite. You want to bring up your toes so you're up on your heel, and then you want to flick it out to the same direction, alright? So let me just show you to the front again. So what I'm doing is I'm moving my heel to the side, moving my toes to the side, moving my heel to the side, moving my toes to the side, etc. Alright? So, you just want to be able to practice that move many times. First you do it like that, and then once you feel comfortable, you can try to do it on one leg. So you need to be able to put all of your weight on this leg, alright? So you need to be able to do this. Alright, it might help in the beginning if you sort of do like a mini jump. I use that term a lot, and what that means is basically just you doing a jump, but you're not lifting the foot off the ground, right? So what I mean by that is when you do a jump, you lift the foot completely off the ground. But when you do a mini jump, you want to do sort of like a jump, but you still keep some of the foot on the ground, right? So in this case, I would keep my heel on the ground, my toes on the ground, my heel on the ground, but I would still be jumping, right? Just without lifting the foot completely off the ground, right? Jump, jump. So notice how I'm doing this prep. When you're jumping, you're saying bend and then you jump, alright? Still doing that. I'm using this force to be able to move my leg a bit easier, alright? It might help if you stand near a wall, if you have some chairs, that's also good. So, boom, jump, mini jump, mini jump, mini jump. So when you're practicing this heel toe thing and you need to do it slowly, then you need to do these mini jumps in order to make it easy for you, alright? And then once you feel comfortable and you need to be able to do it fast, then you actually, it looks like you're doing it on flat foot, alright? But what you're doing, and what you can see here, is that I'm switching my weight from heel to toe, alright? Just show it from the side. You see, it's very subtle. You don't see that I'm lifting my legs like this, alright? It's super subtle, it's So, what we can do so far is to grab our leg and then we slide on this foot, alright? That's basically the move, okay? Let me just show you that again. So when I go, just take a step in the beginning here, where you go, boom, alright? Let me show that again. I'm going, boom. And notice how I'm dragging this leg with me, and I'm bringing it closer and closer, okay? Or you don't have to do that, you can also just keep the same distance and just keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Up to you, okay? Now the final touch is being able to do this at the same time, alright? Just gives it a different look, if you want to. So from here, I'm just gonna show it from the side. What I'm doing with my upper body is just this, right? Very simple. But now you need to do it at the same time as you're doing this. Okay, so just practice this a few times, and then once you feel comfortable, you can try and combine it by doing this. Boom, 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 boom. Okay? Again. Way. Again. Way. In the beginning, you can try slow, and then you can gradually speed up. All right? Hey. And then faster and faster. All right? Now once you can do that, it's super smooth. You need to practice many times. You can also do it to the other side and so on. So when you grab your leg and you take this step here to the side, you are not actually moving, this as much. It's more also the illusion that you're moving it a lot because you're also dragging this in at the same time. Alright, so what I mean by that is when I do this, it doesn't look like this leg has moved that much, alright? But when I drag it in at the same time, it looks like it's moving a lot more, and it is, alright? So a combination of taking a step here and then also dragging it in as you're sliding. Now, if you aren't able to move this that much, it doesn't matter because as long as you can also do the taking a step, wrapping your leg, and doing this jerking motion at the same time, it's still gonna give the effect, alright? So even if I'm not moving this leg a lot, as long as I know how to grab this and I know how to do the jerking motion, it's gonna give the right effect, right? So when I do it from the side, alright, even though I haven't moved this leg that much. Alright, so now I just need to practice, practice, and practice. Guys, this video is sponsored by SlickComments, which is a new cool site where you can join different video contests like this dance challenge that I've just created on their site. You can win $100 and all you need to do is basically just post a video of yourself either as a YouTube Shorts or a regular YouTube video and then post a link on SlickComments. For this specific challenge, you just need to do the dance move from this tutorial, and then you also need to show a handwritten note like I've shown here, just so we know that you're not using someone else's video. The link to my challenge is in the description and in the comments field, and the competition will only run for 6 days, so you need to hurry up and join it before it's too late. Alright, good luck. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.